Philem Rohan has announced his resignation from serving as the president of Indigenous Peoples Forum, Manipur Ipfm, alleging that a letter was written to National Human Rights Commission, New Delhi, by Ipfm without his knowledge and by forging his signature in the same letter. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club, Rohan Philem maintained that he took up the responsibility of presidency for Ipfm after its former president Kasar resigned ahead of World Indigenous Day celebration in August last year. While maintaining that he could not play active participation in some of the activities taken up by Ipfm in recent past, Rohan Philem informed that a press meet was convened in New Delhi by Ipfm and he was not aware of it. Later, it came to light that a letter was sent to National Human Rights Commission, New Delhi, regarding the recent violence in Litan, and the letter has his forged signature. While condemning the incident of forgery of his signature and also expressing concern, Rohan has announced his exit from the forum.
Ngarang se oja Kasar na Delhi da press conference ama odi ai signature di yaurme atubu ai signature siga muk ngasi ai tawjari signature siga di dum difference mayam dum ubiramani ko hoi on a better scale the litana thokiben incident je ko soloin condemn tawi kuki ga naga ga thokiben incident je ado isagi consent se yaw dabida press conference ama tawrambasina maram oira kanadi somda khoina tongan ba fraternities mayam ga changsil laga thangjen no wo khongthang si masina maram oira kan yam kairakpagi Mamishu Uba Haitare. Adu hoi consent ama yauramaga tobiramaga di henasu nungaigadaba. Aduduna maram oirakanda ingonda topa fraternities mayamdagi su pressure amang hek si press conference hek tobadagi ingonda pressure se tokimatic laigimna maram oirakanda ngasi se adum for the betterment of every section haitare. Hanagi previous president degi hojik thabo paikat piriba mayam jigi su kaidanaba degi aigi su tungana aigi somda aigi changadaba activity humanitarian causes mayam su lairimina mayam se understanding ama phajana maintain tawba matungda ai ngasi press ki kuthangda Indigenous Peoples Forum Manipur dagi ai resign tawjare haibase ai mayamda laukthokjege ngasi ki press conference tawjabani any Indigenous Peoples ki thabak thorom lakpa matamda tum ai mayam ki thabak thorom da tum ai mai pak nanaba du dai mamang thana tum ai chenjagini